In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in WordPress without using a plugin. Whether you're creating a sleek navigation system or just want to add some flair to your website, understanding how to create tabs directly in WordPress can give you more control over the appearance and functionality of your site. Let's dive in. First, you need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center and the starting point for accessing all essential features of your site. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on it and then select Menus. This path will lead us to the area where the magic happens, allowing us to create and manage our menu items. Once you're in the menu section, you'll notice an option to create a new menu. Go ahead and click on Create a New Menu. This will open up a new interface where you can start designing your custom menu. Here, type a name for your menu. It can be anything descriptive that identifies what this menu will be used for, such as main navigation or header tabs, depending on where you plan to deploy it. Next, you'll want to set your newly created menu as the primary menu. This is an important step because designating it as your primary menu means it will be the main navigation tool on your site. You'll see an option to mark it as the primary menu. Check that box. If you're feeling efficient, you can also select the option to automatically add new top-level pages to this menu. This can save you time in the future as your site grows, ensuring any new pages you create are automatically included in your navigation. Now, it's time to add some items to your newly created menu. On the left side of the Menus page, you'll find sections like Pages, Posts, Custom Links, and Categories. Go ahead and select all the items you want to include in your menu by checking the boxes next to them and then click Add to Menu. Once added, you have the flexibility to drag and drop the items to arrange them in the order you desire. You can even create sub-items to nest under main menu items, providing a well-structured hierarchy that enhances user navigation. Just drag an item slightly to the right, and it will snap into place as a sub-item. After everything looks perfect and you've arranged the menu to your satisfaction, hit the Save Menu button. This step is crucial to ensure all your hard work takes effect on your site. Finally, visit your page and refresh it to see your new menu in action. Congratulations, you've successfully added a menu without relying on a plugin. Enjoy your streamlined and customized navigation experience.